Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Everything You Need to Know with me, Anthony from Easy Car Care. Hope you're all doing well today. And on today's episode, we're going to be covering Arctic Meltdown, our pH neutral snow foam. So let's go. So, Arctic Meltdown, what is it? Well, as I said, it's a snow foam. What are snow foams? Snow foams are part of your pre-wash in any contactless wash method. So a snow foam is designed to help loosen any dirt, greases and grimes that's on the car, or the van, or truck, or bus. It also helps draw out any dirt and grease and grime that's stuck in any nooks and crannies that you can't get into with your wash mitt. It's also, because it's pH neutral, it's more forgiving on any waxes or anything, therefore it means it won't diminish them down over a period of time. So, Arctic Meltdown, how do you use it? Well, obviously, the first thing you need is a snow foam lance. Stick yourself a ratio of 4:1 in there. Once you've done that, you want to cover the car in a nice even layer. Leave it to dwell anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes, temperature dependent. Once it's dwelled, give it a good rinse off, ensure you get all of the snow foam off the car, and once you've done that, you're ready to move on to your next step, which is your contact wash. So, tips and tricks. I'm going to split it into two sections on this. First section, I'm going to talk to you about Arctic Meltdown, and then the second section, I'm going to talk to you about how to use a snow foam lance. Tips on Arctic. What you can do is apply citrus to your car first, and then put your snow foam over the top. I find this particularly good in the winter months because it adds more of a bite to your snow foam. If you're using a snow foam in the summer months, if you can, try and move the car into the shade or indoors. If it's a baking hot day, you don't really want to be using a snow foam. If you're that desperate to do it, what you can do is half a car, rinse it off, half a car, rinse it off. But me personally, I just wouldn't bother on a baking hot day. So, tips and tricks on how to use a snow foam lance. Me personally, I put 50 ml of product in there and top it up to 500 ml mark with water. I then turn the top knob all the way to the minus and a little tweak back to the plus. This is going to give you that thick, gloopy snow foam that everybody desires. The nozzle on the end is what adjusts your spray pattern. The more you twist it, there's some little blades inside that open. You want it a nice peacock's tail, but not so it's going over the top of the car and hitting the floor, you want it hitting the car. Once I've finished and the bottle is empty, I then remove the bottle and there's a pickup straw. I then dunk that straw into a jug of clean water, activate my jet wash and flush at least 100 ml of product through there, because inside there's a little metal gauze. Once that gets blocked up, it's going to affect the performance of your lance. They can be replaced, but just flush it through and you'll have no problems. As easy as that. So, first time mistakes of Arctic. People not leaving it on the car long enough to dwell. They just literally spray it on, rinse it off and then complain that it doesn't do anything. You've got to give it 3 to 5 minutes to dwell and do its job. The second one is incorrect mixture. So having it too watery or too thick, you need it in the middle. If it's too watery, it's just going to run off and not do anything. If it's too thick, it's just going to sit there and again, not run off and do anything. So you've got to find that happy medium in between. A lot of people think that a snow foam is a miracle product and once you put it on the car, you rinse it off, your car's going to be gleaming. It's not. It's a product to help to ensure you have as much of a contactless wash as possible. Arctic Meltdown, what can you pair it with? Obviously, your snow foam lance. If you don't have one of these, you can't use the product. And as I said earlier, citrus pre-wash is great for them winter months. And that is everything you need to know on Arctic Meltdown, our pH neutral snow foam. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and any comments, drop them below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell. And until next time, thank you for watching.